In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a video and turn it into a short using DaVinci Resolve, and how to get it from looking like this in a short form video, or even perhaps this way, into looking a lot nicer like this video here, or my personal new favorite way of editing my shorts, this one here with the blurred background. So let's jump into DaVinci Resolve and I'll show you how I did it. Okay, so step one is, of course, going to be opening DaVinci Resolve. I have DaVinci Resolve 19 right now. I do use the free version of DaVinci Resolve, so everything I'm showing you is in the free version. So step one, we're going to want to bring over the footage that we want to edit into a short formed video. And we're going to change our frame rate. So now we can drag and drop this onto our timeline, and it creates a new timeline for us. As you can see, let's go over into the Edit tab. This timeline is not vertical, and this clip is way longer than 1 minute, which is what you need for a short. So there's two things we need to fix. I'll be right back. I'm going to find the clip I want to make into a short, and then we can go from there. Okay, so in this video now, I have cut the piece that I want to move. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this. Now there's two ways of doing this. If you are only making a short and you're not making a video in this same page, you can go over here, right-click timeline, and change your timeline settings from here in order to make a short video. But usually I'm making shorts at the same time I edit my videos, so I'm going to make a new timeline. And in this one, I'm going to make it for shorts. So you're going to uncheck Use Project Settings, go over to Format, and click Vertical Resolution, and create. You can name it whatever you want. I don't usually waste my time with renaming them, but honestly, that bites me in the ass a lot. So then down here, we're going to paste the clip that we copied. I use Sonar to be able to have my streams on different audio lengths. So I have 6 different audios. So what I personally like to do is unlink my videos and take out the audio I don't need. So let's go ahead. I only need 1 for this video, so I'm going to cut out the rest of these. And these 2 clips are still unlinked. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, just the video, because I'll need that later. In the meantime, however, let's go ahead and relink these clips back up. So now, technically, this is a 20-second short. I can just go over here to File and quick export it if I wanted to. I just leave it in the basic settings, quick export, and that's all I need to later upload it to YouTube. But I don't really like this format because you can't really not see what's going on the screen. I used to post my shorts like this because I was very new to shorts. But then I decided that that wasn't good enough. So I used to take the transform tool and kind of scrunch it so you could see as much of the screen as possible. But as you can see, that still doesn't look good. So let's go ahead and put it back to the regular resolution. And now this is one way you can easily make your short more presentable. It doesn't look good on the computer right now, but it does look good on the TV and on the phones. That's kind of the whole reason that they have it in the vertical formatting. So now when they're watching the video, you can see the entire screen and what's happening. This is perfectly fine, and you can leave it like this. However, I don't like how much of the background is black. It's very boring to me, and I feel like, in my opinion, I would just keep scrolling because I have a short attention span. So let's go ahead and Control Z back to having our full scale, and I'll show you what I decided to do in order to fix this. So let's drag our cursor over a little bit, and we're going to paste just the video that we copied earlier, and we're going to drag it up and on top into video 2. So now we can drag our cursor back over, and now we have 2 videos on top of each other and only 1 thing of audio. When we're clicked on video 2, we're going to still be in the transform, and this is when we're going to shorten it. So it's still centered in the video. Technically, again, you could use this if you wanted, but this is too much going on for me. Never happy. So what did I do? I went over here to color, and we make sure we're clicked on video 1, which is the background video, and we drag box blur over into our video. So if we go back to edit now, our background is blurred out, but our video where we can see everything, our foreground, is clear. So now you kind of have some entertainment in the background, so it's not dead space. And you have the video where everybody can see everything going on. And so that is the new way that I like to make my shorts. One other important thing that I find is being able to rotate the videos. Say your video, for whatever reason, isn't lined up how you want it to, you can come over here to transform under the edit tab, and you can rotate your video if you need to, which is sometimes helpful. Another quick tip I had while I was editing was that if your video is over 1 minute and you're trying to make it go down to 1 minute, you can speed up your video. So if you select all of these together and click time ripple over here in video editing under speed change, you can shorten this video by speeding it up or making it longer by slowing it down, whatever suits your needs for you. That way it can still be used as a short. Sometimes this is even helpful if you want to make a comedy reaction, and you can use it in long form videos as well. It doesn't only have to be short form videos, but that is, make sure if you're using a clip from a video that you click ripple timeline. Otherwise, it will go back in the original clip where this is from further and further as you speed it up, and that's not exactly what you're going to want. So I think that's everything I have for you in this video. If you guys liked it, please consider leaving a like, maybe subscribing. And if you have any other questions about DaVinci Resolve or other tips and tricks, go ahead and leave them down below. If I don't know them, I'll try to figure them out and see if we can't learn something together. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.